And you know that I'm on my pound cake, and you know I'ma hit you with that motherfucking AK, and you know that I'm going in every single day, smoking OG Kush, pushing my problems away, and you know I don't gotta sell myself for fame, and you know that I'm gonna make it in this fucking game, and you know that this shit ain't really a game when I'm winning it all, and you know that I got the fame. Goddamn, catch with everything around me, and you know that all these bitches are around me, trying to suck my dick and get in my shit, but I smack them in the face cause they're just a dirty bitch. Damn, and you know that the shit was pretty fucked up, but you know I'm smoking good kush, so I'm fucked up. My eyes are low, but I'm aiming down the scope, and you know that I'm strapped up with the fofo. Goddamn, and you know that I'm going in, and you know that this is a game, so I'm gonna win. I got my chief in my motherfucking iPod, and you know that I would never ever stop. Damn, Black Hawk is killing it again. Fuck.